If your rings don't look like this, then that's a problem. The gymnastic rings and the ratchet strap will be separate when you purchase this because you need a sturdy pull-up bar, you need a branch outside, or even one of those door frame pull-up bars to mount this to. So go ahead and start out by placing the ratchet strap end through the ring and then taking the other strap of the ring and bringing it up. You can drop the ring on the ground for now, and then what you're going to do is pull out all of the tension and all of the twists and turns in the rings to make sure that the straps are nice and clear of any knots, because if there is any knots, this will make it incredibly challenging and even dangerous to do the exercises. So with them nice and straight, go ahead and toss the ratchet end strap over the edge. Pulling it down, what you are going to do next is take the other end of that ratchet strap and actually thread it through the opposite end of the strap. So normally people would come up through this because it's easier to do it that way, but that won't keep it tight and secure when you're doing your exercises. So when you press into the lever, come through the back end of it. And then as you notice this, what you're going to do is simply just keep pulling that strap all the way down, because the more you pull it up, the more that ring will actually come up into position. And there you go. After you pull it up, your rings are in position. You can go ahead and test this out by coming up and standing on it and then bringing your feet up so you can see that they're nice and secure. I would recommend pulling these other loose straps over to the side of your rack or simply tie them to something so it keeps them out of the way.